Sir, how do we heal so that we get into meditation?
Healing happens only when we start to accept who we are. Correct? Acceptance is the first step to anything, particularly healing. For example, even in the physical, someone has got a fracture or a fire burn. First, they have to accept that it has happened. If they constantly crib and shout how it can happen to me, I don't deserve this, jumping around, no, it's not the way to proceed, right? So healing or anything happens first with acceptance of the situation as it is, without bringing any knowledge from the past, because that particular wound in the physical level has happened. Support if it is an emotional outburst which is constantly happening, still we have to start by saying it is okay. I accept me even with those emotional outbursts because that is how my past was. But do I want my past to constantly control how I am today? So we have to start being gentle with ourselves. Then the healing starts. Correct? So many things happen in the past because we may not be aware, and many times it happens because of our prarabdha also. So right now, what we can do is to accept it, and then we have to start the healing process. So a simple example, my teacher always says two things. When the example of a movie is taken there, when today we are watching movie at the comfort of our home, where we can forward and rewind, whenever there is a particular so much emotional scene, particularly in Indian movies, or people running around the trees to sing a song, or some fight is happening, many times you just forward it, correct? And you keep seeing the scenes or the songs which you like, you rewind and again you see. Similarly, in the mind, the things which are not allowing you to get ahead, you have to fast forward. The things which are allowing you to be happy and stay connected, you have to rewind. Remember this. This is very important. Second important thing is no one goes to watch a movie without a villain. 2.5 hours, everybody lived a very happy life. We need some twists and turns, right? So the same thing is happening in the mind also. So the mind, what is the villain in the mind? We are our own villains, right? We have our own demons inside. So that will come out once in a while. Why it is very important to accept that only that will tell how much we know is really knowledge or just information. Everybody has information. Google gives you information, right? How to meditate. But can Google meditate? A book will tell, become a yogi in 20 days. Can a book ever become a yogi? No. They're all repositories of information. They can at best give us knowledge. But the experience is had, realization is done by the one who is doing the process consciously. So this is the way we have to understand the word healing and getting into this process.